Okay, guys. So I just finished, and the best part about it is I did 5K, and my average pace was under 20 minutes. So that was amazing. Reached my goal, surpassed my goal, saying they'll do it by the 31st. So I'm just going to keep on improving on that. But like the rest of the video says, you know, tax time is here. This is the best time to be able to get a house, utilize your tax return for a new home, and on top of that, you've got the promo houses. On top of that, you have the savings. On top of that, you have the opportunity of maybe even a washer and dryer or a 65-inch TV. Whichever you choose, guys. So the best time is to act now. So if anything, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below or send me a message or just give me a call at 979-775-7558. Look forward to hearing from you. See you next week.